In front of me is Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then hold it to use this icon between two rectangles and the gear, and enjoy using it in this little window. To move your window around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. In order to use more options of pop-up view, click on those three dots and operate all of those. To close your window, you can always swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!